Hello, my name is Camila Pagán and I am part of Challenge 2014, the class of Math 1000, and I'm here to present to you how to solve an equation, how to find the derivative of an equation using the first derivative definition. So, first of all, the definition for this is that the derivative of x, f of x, will equal the limit as h tends to 0 when f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So what this equation means is that we need to transpose the values of x plus h and then you subtract the original equation by including them into the original function and thus finding the derivative. So, and all of this over h. So first, what we need to do is that we insert the values. So f prime of x will equal, when the limit h tends to 0, and our original equation that as was given by the problem number 3 states that f of x equals 4 minus the square root of x plus 3. Okay, so we need to insert these values into the original equation. Yeah, right. Into the functions, and then all of this into the equation. So first, the limit of what tends to 0 will be 4 minus the square root of x plus h plus 3 minus 4 plus square root of x plus 3 over h. And so here we can see that we can cancel out these values, minus 4 and 4, and we continue. So now we are left that the limit of h tends to 0 as x plus 3 minus the square root of x plus h plus 3 over h. So in order to be able to solve, we need to find the way to eliminate all the h's from the equation. And in order for us to do this, we need to eliminate these square roots by using the reciprocals of this function. So we're going to multiply by its reciprocal. So we're going to have that the limit of h tends to 0 as x plus 3 minus x plus h plus 3 over h times x plus 3 plus the square root of x plus h plus 3 over the same value, because if you're going to multiply by 1, you need to divide by 1. Well, or any other value in this case. X plus 3 plus square root of x plus h plus 3. And so we're going to be left off with the value. We're going to multiply this. And we left off with x plus 3 minus x minus h minus 3 over h times the square root of x plus 3 plus the square root of x plus h plus 3. So we need to eliminate the values. So minus x goes with x, plus 3 with 3, and then the h, we can cancel it out because we have it both in the numerator and in the denominator. So we cancel this out, but we still have a negative, which we need to keep in mind, okay? So then we continue solving to find so now we have the limit of h tends to 0 as negative 1 over square root of x plus 3 plus square root of x plus h plus 3. And now we can insert the value of 0 in the limit into the equation to find our final answer. And so now we are going to be left off with minus 1 over x plus 3 plus x plus 3, which will then equal negative 1 over 2 x plus 3. And this is the final value of the derivative for this function. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day.